Welcome to Simply Excel. In this troubleshooting video, we're going to look at the common reasons why your formulas might not be updating properly. The first scenario we're going to look at is when your formula is showing rather than the result. This can happen if your cell's been formatted as text before the formula has been entered. To resolve this, you can change the formatting of the cell to General, click in the formula bar to edit it, press Return, and you'll see that's now updating and our results showing. And now when we change the numbers in our formula, we get an updated result. The second reason your results might not be updating is if your spreadsheet is set to calculate formulas manually. So to demonstrate that, if we subtract 1 from 6, we'd expect our result to change to 5, but it stays at 4. To fix this one, we come up to the Formulas tab on the ribbon, across to Calculation Options, and select Automatic. You see as soon as we did that, the formula updated. And now when we change the inputs, our result updates automatically. The third issue you might have with formulas is if the result just doesn't look right. For example, in our divide column we've got 12 divided by 3, but we're getting the result of 6. If we click into our formula, we can see the cell references it's using. In this example, it's quite easy to see that actually it's looking at cell B4 divided by cell B5, which is 12 divided by 2. However, if your formula is a bit more complex or the cells are spread out over a wider area, it can be useful just to come up to the formula bar, click in that, and you'll see that the cells become highlighted in the same colour as the numbers in the formula bar. That's a really easy way to see the cell references that your formula is using and check that they're correct. That's really easily resolved by deleting the second reference and clicking on the correct cell. We now get the correct result, and when we change it, the result updates. The final reason we're going to look at for why your formulas might not be updating is if, for example, we change this number here, so we say 2 times 7, we expect to see 14, but we still get 10. By clicking in the formula here, I can see that part of it's been overtyped by a number, so that number's never going to change. Again, easily fixed by taking out the manual number and replacing it with the cell reference. I hope you found these hints on troubleshooting formulas useful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.